Hi everybody, this is Brendan from LemPlay. In this video, I'm walking you through MaintainX versus LemPlay for templates and checklists. Specifically how each tool helps standardize processes so work ships faster with fewer mistakes. Before we look at tools, let's define the job. The real goal here isn't documentation. It's standardizing repeatable work so that teams miss fewer steps, reduce rework, onboard faster, and execute consistently without thinking too hard. This matters most in operations, maintenance, facilities, and frontline teams, where checklists aren't optional, they're operational infrastructure. MaintainX is built squarely in this world, so let's start there. Let's create a real example inside MaintainX. I will go to my library and procedures, and let's add a new procedure template. We are going to title this one Preventative Equipment Inspection Checklist. We can assign an asset to it. We can assign a type, inspection, and frequency, weekly. Let's add some more detail. The more detail I add here, the better AI will be able to generate a draft for me. Right away, as soon as this draft is generated, I can see the tasks are added step by step. It will include required fields like pass, fail, numeric inputs, or notes. I can do a quick preview. I can even attach photos, manuals, or safety instructions directly into my steps if I wish. Each step can enforce completion before moving on. If I do say it's required, I can link more files and pictures there, insert links, and edit it before I finalize my draft. Okay, happy with the draft. I can assign checklists and roles to locations, teams in charge, assets, and categories. I can set it to recur in a schedule, require sign-offs before completion, and I can actually also track the history and audit logs automatically. There's a copy of my new procedure. MaintainX shines here because the checklist doesn't live in isolation. It's actually tied to assets, people, and time. For teams running maintenance, safety checks, or operational routines, this depth matters because collaboration in MaintainX is also very operational. Technicians can see what they need to do, managers can see completion status in real time, and nothing ships unless every required step is checked. We will add this to a work order. Create a new work order, week 12. Once again, here I can add a description, location, asset, or multiple assets, and here's my procedure. Create. Lovely. We're in my work orders. I'm on week 12. You can see all the parts needed, time, other costs, and there we go to my actual procedure. As I start to tick off my boxes and go through the procedure, you can see it changes to in progress. This is visible to all teams. So you're not just creating a checklist, you're configuring a system. And that's powerful, but not always fast. For context, this is how we do this in LemPlates, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemPlates, checklists start from a different assumption, that this will be reused. I go to my templates, and I can pick any one and quickly edit it. As example, I clearly see the sections that I have and the steps that I need to take, with optional notes and guidance built in to every step. There's no asset linking, no scheduling logic, or no operational overhead. What happens next is the key difference. This checklist can be reused instantly across teams. I can share it, make it public, copying the link and sending it to other people. I can publish it to a marketplace. I can even add tags. When I publish it, it goes to the marketplace. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating standardized templates that live beyond a single team or department. This is especially useful when you're documenting internal processes, you want consistency across multiple teams, and you don't want to rebuild the same checklist 20 times. The speed here is noticeable. You're done in minutes, not configuration cycles. So let's compare quickly. When it comes to speed, LemPlates is fast by design. When it comes to ease of reuse, LemPlates reuses across teams, projects, and even organizations. And in terms of collaboration, LemPlates is structure focused. Who can reuse, adapt, and improve templates? LemPlates focuses on breadth, checklists, SOPs, workflows, and repeatable processes. You should choose LemPlates if you care about reusable templates and standardization. Also, if you want speed without heavy configuration. And finally, you're building a shared library of repeatable processes. MaintainX is thorough but slower. It also reuses within operational contexts. It collaborates based on an execution focus base, who did what and when. Maintain X, the templates are strong inside maintenance and operations. So neither approach is wrong. There's just solving different problems. Choose Maintain X if you run maintenance, facilities, or frontline operations, or you need scheduling, compliance, and asset tracking. And finally, checklists are part of daily execution, not documentation. If you want to see this approach in full, LemPlates is linked below.